Guys, presenting one of the cheapest 1.5 ton 3-star split AC that you can buy out there. This particular one comes from the house of Godrej. Let's take a look at the specifications. As we discussed earlier, this thing comes with the 3-star category. ISER value is 3.95 and the sticker is valid latest by December 2024. The cooling capacity is 5000 watts. And to save our planet and the ozone layer a little bit, this one is using eco-friendly R32 gas. Guys, to buy this particular model, I'll provide a bunch of affiliate links in the video description or in the first comment for you. But guys, wait a bit. I have made really detailed videos with respect to this AC, be it its installation, remote guide, power consumption test, or overall pros and cons review. All of these videos will pop up in the form of video cards or thumbnails right over here across your screen. You can click on any of them and jump to those respective videos. So that's it for this neat little video, guys. Take care and have a nice day.